visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So tingnan natin kung ano ang nangyayari sa paligid, no? Please believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading. Whenever you find this video, the message is meant to find you. General reading po ito ha, so wag po masyadong personalin kung hindi naman kayo nakaka-resonate, no? Pwede naman ma-resonate yung buong reading, pwedeng konti lang. Again, general, no? Huwag niyo po akong aawayin sabihin, hindi naman yan nangyayari sa akin. So that means hindi po nangyayari sa inyo, hindi kayo nakaka-resonate and the reading is not for you, di ba? Huwag po niyong, unless hindi ko sinabi yung pangalan mo, no? I feel like kasi merong mga nagagalit at nagpa-personal message sa akin na hindi naman daw sila, hindi naman nila nararanasan yun. Eh di hindi. Pinipilit ko ba? Diba? Di ito lang general. Diyos ko sa dami ng tao. Pwede ko ba kang i-cater lahat, 'di ba? So again, this is a general reading. So tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari. The Magician, I am seeing with the Ace of Cups and the Ten of Wands. Uy, but parang feeling mo the more na meron kang ginagawa dito sa relationship na to, the more na parang medyo lalong pahirap ng pahirap, no? It's either parang feeling mo rin siguro nananadya yata itong person ko na pinapahirapan ako. Pero ganun pa man, kahit mahirap yung sitwasyon, whether this is mahirap dahil mahirap kasama si person, mahirap dahil siguro it could be financial status, no? Or financial issues with your person, or it could also be mahirap dahil parang literal, no? Hindi maganda yung parang kinalalagyan, yung situation ngayon. Pero it felt like kahit anong mangyari, I'm going to stick to my person, no? So, nafe-feel natin dito, tutulungan ko tong taong to. So, meron tayong tinatawag ko tong superhero syndrome, no? Na parang ako ang makakapag alis sa kanya sa lusak or ako ang makakapagpabago ng buhay niya. Whether this is yung tumino itong taong to, no? It felt like na kailangan tayo ng tao and again, hindi yun masama. It's just a thought or it's just a belief of someone, no? Again, we're not talking about religion. This is a belief. Belief means something that you believe in and belief can move mountains, no? So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito, hindi yun mali, no? Pero pag lahat ng sobra is medyo kahit naman yung baso, ilagay mo sa, sa gripo. Pag sumobra, sayang yung tubig, di ba? Tama din naman yung kung feeling mo, ikaw, then by all means, no? And if you have the means to do it, why not? Bakit, di ba? Sabi nga ng mga Jews, if you save one soul, no, you save mankind. And parang sinasabi natin dito na, kung nabago mo ang buhay ng isang tao sa paraang, napaganda mo ito, napaayos, parang sabihin natin, ano mo na yon, pamasahin mo na, no, sa langit. Dahil, again, you save a person's life. And that person, parang hindi na siya magiging pabigat din sa ibang tao, hindi na rin siya magiging pahirap or pasaway sa ibang tao, no. So, you parang, it might be a small grain of salt, pero you're removing, no, a problem from the society and from mankind. So again, kung ganyan naman ang iyong mentality at hindi naman ito sumosobra, kudos to you, no? You have a good heart, no? So with the high priestess and the justice, so it felt like medyo tinatansya mo, paano ko ito gagawin, no? Maganda naman kasi with the high priestess, you're gauging if sobra na ba ito or tama ba yung ginagawa ko. You are not just parang working or taking action because you're triggered by your emotion. You're also thinking, no? So there's wisdom, there's rational thinking in here. There, 'di ba, parang gumagana din yung utak mo. Parang tinitingnan mo, baka naman pag ginawa ko to sumobra, no? Lalong magwala. So you're gauging, you're balancing things for this to execute, no? Ang nakikita natin dito, it comes from love, but then again, hindi lang puro puso, kailangan din pairali ng utak. So with the Empress and the Four of Wands, chances are, ito yata yung sinasabi na no judgment, no? I don't want to I don't want to say that this is unconditional kasi pag sinabi mo unconditional love, dito sa romantic, again, wag kayong ano ha, don't call me on this or don't, yeah. Kasi this is my own perception as a reader, but as a human being, you cannot say that this is unconditional love. Kasi the mere fact that your person wanted to change, there is condition. So remove the unconditional love. Um, it felt like this is more of no judgment kind of love, no? Kasi parang mahal kita, you know, that the totality of you, the good, the bad, and the ugly, no? So that is true love. That is true love, but that is not unconditional love. Kasi, like what I mentioned, the mere fact na gusto mong mabago yung buhay niya, there's already condition. Gusto mong mahalin ka niya, there's already a condition. It's not unconditional love. Again, at least for me, no? With the Four of Wands in here, so parang sinasabi natin dito, I love this person, this is a true love, and I want to still marry the person. I want to be a part of this person's success. I want to be a part of this person's changes. It may be gradual or it may be drastic, but I want to be a part of that good change. So, congratulations pa din, nandiyan pa rin naman siya. The Chariot and the King of Wands, probably either this is you na pwedeng isi-save ni person, baka ikaw naman yun na dito sa part na you can interchange the roles. What I am reading is the dynamic. So, either meron ditong taong gustong kumausap na gusto mo bang sumama sa akin? Gusto mo bang ibahin na natin, no, ang flow ng story ng buhay mo? Gusto mo bang magsimula na tayo, no? Alisin kita dito, sumama ka na doon sa bahay, or cohabitation, no, mag-live-in na tayo. Or kung ayaw mo sa bahay, lumipat tayo ng ibang lugar, no, yung ganyan. So with the Fool card, the King of Pentacles, and the Temperance, it felt like kung meron man, no? Kasi the Fool card is here, the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, nandun yung changes. The Fool card is a drastic change wherein if this person already think na, okay, this is worth it, I'm going to jump off the cliff like the Fool card, no? And parang I'm not going to be scared anymore as long as you are here. The King of Pentacles is more of I'm giving everything into this relationship with the Temperance. At least I am going to try. But then again, with the Fool card also represents a also a child. So chances are, if this is not just you on their side, parang cheering them up, there's also another way for them to make a change, but this is more of having a child. Maraming ganyang tao, no, na parang careless. I just saw a an interview with Tony G and Marielle, no. So I didn't really saw the full video, but I saw a synopsis of it or a glimpse of it. Parang sinabing ganun is, this is a different kind of fear. Kasi parang yun nga, no, happy-go-lucky, careless si Miss Mariel, or parang she don't care about other people, just her, no? Pero nung nagkaroon na ng anak, I feel like nagkaroon siya ng fear of death, no? Kasi sino maiiwan sa mga anak. I mean, there's a lot of changes. How would have known, um, I am a fan of Mariel in some part, not on the, na, on some part na lang. Hindi ko na lang ilalagay yung I don't like, no? Ganun naman talaga, we cannot have it all nga, sabi. Pero with the purity of the heart, no? When it comes to her and her child or children, it's so pure, no? Um, Parang someone someone else was changed into a to becoming a better them because of the child, no? So yun lang yung gusto kong i-point out again. When it comes to other roles, especially on, again, I still don't want to point out, no, I don't hate the person. I like the person in some part. Okay, again, I don't hate, I don't condone. Tao yan, no? And even I myself, you yourself, nagkakamali din naman. So, yeah, meron tayong minsan mga nasasabi, no, decision sa buhay na hindi na natin pwedeng bawiin. And so, it's either paninindigan, take responsibility, but it doesn't change the fact that somehow there's still goodness in you. And lumalabas yan when it comes to, di ba, pag love na yung pinag-uusapan. It may not be romantic, but her love to her child is so pure. And you're gonna see, if you're gonna look at it doon lang sa perspective na yon, sa aspect ng love of a mom to a child, it may be so general, but you can, you can relate to it, di ba? So, yun lang naman. Again, I don't wanna dig into much to Miss Mariel. The purity of the heart lang. No, yun lang yung sinasabi ko. And I am speaking with the heart, with not with the other parts. So, um, let's check. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, if you resonate on this reading, let me know sa comment section. No? And if you have some personal questions, let me know. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website, na name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Taurus, I'm seeing Aries, Leo, Cancer. I am seeing Scorpio. Did I just mention Pisces? Yeah. Taurus is very dominant. Leo is very dominant. Aries is very dominant. No, Libra is here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the